How to log in into Australia Taxation account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in Australia Tax Office and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, www.ato.gov.au. Open it. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website here, you're going to find different options. Navigate to this option of login to online services. Click on that drop down. With that, you're going to get different options to log in. Go ahead and select the option for which you want to log in. Just click on sign into. I'm going to select individual account. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials of your account. So go ahead and type in your username or email address, then type in the password. If you have forgotten the username or password, you can click on these options to recover it. After you fill this, click on sign in, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. Scroll down, you can also use passkeys or a digital identity to log into your account. Just go ahead and click on these options, and with that you will be logged into your account. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily log in into Australia Taxation account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.